Hello and welcome to my latest sketch. Recently I bought this nice ABUS padlock from eBay and I just cleaned it up a little bit so it's nice and shiny again. And I guess this is not the latest model of ABUS padlocks. From the other side you can read ABUS pin tumbler number 190/50 double locking bolts, Germany. So I think this is not made for the German market, but maybe for the US market. If anyone knows more about this lock, so regarding the age, or so when it was made, and yeah, maybe there's some other nice information about it, please let me know in the comments. So here are the keys. That's the bitting. It's a 4-pin locking mechanism, and it works. Nice and solid click when you open it. Really strong spring tension. So of course I want to pick it. I apply tension here from the opposite side of the pins and I use my Sparrow's shallow hook. Okay, tension to overcome the spring. Oh, again, all the way in, and here we are, got a false set, so I check for the spool. It's position 2 I think, and it's open. Yeah, not the hardest pick, but it's a really nice lock and I'm quite happy that I got it. So yeah, that's it basically. Thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye bye.